The Philippine Statistics Authority, or PSA, has submitted an important piece of evidence to the House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability regarding the inquiry on a person named Mary Grace Piatos. This is expected to prove or disprove whether such an individual exists or not, which Mela Las Moras reveals in this report.
Several House leaders believe the Office of the Vice President committed violations after the Philippine Statistics Authority revealed that Mary Grace Piatos, a supposed recipient of OVP confidential funds, does not exist. According to a report by the PSA, there is no existing birth certificate, marriage certificate, or death certificate in the country under the name Mary Grace Piatos. To recall, during the hearings of the House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, Piatos was identified as one of the individuals who allegedly received confidential funds from the Office of the Vice President. So this prompted the panel to request verification from the PSA on whether this person truly exists, especially since the name seems to be derived from a popular brand of snack and restaurant. For some lawmakers, this is a proof of irregularities in the usage of funds in the OVP.
Finally, na-clear na rin na wala talagang ganong tao. At ano ang pinapakita nito? Na ang mga opisyal sa Office of the Vice President, led by no other than Sara Duterte, ay nag-imbento ng mga resibo para madepensahan yung hindi tamang paggamit ng confidential funds.
Kung merong kamalian sa isa, siguro it gives us reason to also anticipate na baka spurious din yung iba. At kung spurious ito on a large scale, baka nga umabot tayo sa technical malversation.
According to Good Government Committee Chair Joel Chua, this report will come in handy in their future activities and deliberations on certain issues.
Siguro magiging next step namin is baka pati yung iba, papa-check na rin namin yung ibang mga names na madidiscover pa namin. Pina-check na rin namin, humingi na rin kami ng tulong sa NBI to check yung mga signatures. Like for example, yung signatures nung Kokoy Villamin. So, let's see. Tignan natin kung ano yung magiging resulta.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.